Welcome kids to our English class online. I am teacher Airene. So for today's lesson or for this week's lesson, we are going to answer the question, what do you want to drink? Okay? What do you want to drink? All right. I'm thirsty. Oh, I'm thirsty, Mom. I want to drink something. Okay. I want to drink something. Yeah. What do you want to drink? Okay. Number one, water. What do you want to drink? I want some water. Or you can also answer, I want to drink water. It's okay. All right. Number two, what do you want to drink? I want some orange juice. Or you can say, I want to drink orange juice. Okay. What do you want to drink? I want some milk. I want to drink milk. It's okay. What do you want to drink? I want some lemonade. I want to drink lemonade. What do you want to drink? I want some tea. I want to drink tea. What do you want to drink? I want some apple juice. Or you can answer, I want to drink apple juice. Okay, so this one is just a practice. What do you want to drink? I want some apple juice. You can make your own. For example, what do you want to drink? I want to drink Coke. I want to drink Sprite. I want to drink green tea. So it's up to you. Just practice, okay? All right? So I'll be sending you our Google form and also the worksheet in our group chat. So please and then write the vocabulary words in your notebook, okay? So that's all for today, kids. Thank you for listening and watching. See you again next time. Goodbye.